Hey friends, welcome to my channel Baking with Nupur at Baker's Delight. Today I'll be sharing an easy Choco-Lava cake with you with very simple ingredients like flour, baking powder, I've put it right in there, some water, milk, butter, some chocolate, any chocolate you like, milk, dark, I've taken milk here, and some extra bits, coffee, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar. So first we are going to melt our butter and chocolate together in 30-second intervals until it is completely melted. Please make sure that you do not burn your chocolate by overheating it. So go a little bit at a time, maybe 10 seconds, 20 seconds at a time, and keep mixing till you have a smooth batter like this. See, our chocolate is completely melted now. Make sure there are no lumps and just keep it aside for a little while. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a bigger bowl and we are going to sieve in our dry ingredients, which is the flour and baking powder. After that, we are going to add in our cocoa powder. Here you have to use the Cadbury cocoa powder, not the bakery one. After that, just sieve them. There. Now just discard the rest of the bits. And now the milk and water that we had taken, I'm going to warm them up a little bit, mix them together and add in the coffee powder. Give it a little swirl and then add it to your dry mix. After you add this, I'm going to add in the chocolate as well. And now just combine everything together into a really nice and smooth batter. There. Don't have to overmix or whisk it or use any kind of mixing instruments. Just keep on swirling with a spoon or a spatula, whatever you have at hand, and just give it a mix. That's it. See, everything is combined now. Now we are going to prep our mold. So putting this aside now, I'm going to take a silicone mold. Usually people do this in a ramekin, but since I didn't have one right at the moment, so I'm using my silicone mold. I'm just gonna grease it with a little bit of butter. Even if you're using a ramekin, you have to grease it with some butter or oil. So this is very important. You have to do it for all your utensils. And now I'm just gonna divide the batter into these 6 cavities. I later realized that I should have poured more but it's okay. I mean, we always learn something. So I'm just going to take those extra bits of chocolate that we had chopped earlier and just put them in the middle. So now it's completely ready to go into the oven for 8 to 9 minutes. So we've baked them at 180 degrees for just 8 or 9 minutes, and you can just touch the surface and see that it's ready. Now, moment of truth, let's dig in. Oh my god, that is a surprise. Let's look closely, and there we have it. Ooey gooey, amazingly delicious Choco-Lava cake. This is so easy to make, guys, super fun. I hope this video really helped you. Make some quickly and do share in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon. Until next time, happy baking.